Friday, we asked some leading pundits who, if anyone, is king of the dance hall. Feedback now from the streets about who rules the dance hall roosts.
What me do? Left me name now like a king.
Who are the king of dancehall?
Who are the king of dancehall? Alkaline. That we are get away straight.
So what about Beanie Man and Vybz Kartel?
I don't know about them. Alkaline must say, right you.
I want name them calling.
King of dancehall and Vybz Kartel, man. You couldn't ask.
So about people like Sean Paul who sell internationally more?
Sean Paul a general. Yeah, them man they think different. You see, them man they think they know a different league by himself.
People like Beanie Man would have said otherwise though, because he is the former king.
Beanie Man a king, yes, but Kartel a bigger king for Beanie Man.
Fresh, lemonade art, ever great cool, ever be a splash.
You don't know you have Vybz Kartel, but Vybz Kartel would be like the retired king. The reigning king now, to me, Massacre.
Beanie Man them are the man them from earlier days still, but we are talking about now in another generation. We are talking about the man them who are running a place like yes, or Jamaica. Kartel are a monster. Really and truly, I'm not going on that.
How about people like Sean Paul who sell more internationally?
No man, Sean Paul them are about Jamaican again, man. We are talking about man, they are foreigner, man. You can't call them man a name in a Jamaican something but dancehall concern. Because Sean Paul go R&B and you know what I mean? And them different genre there. A different genre I'm deal with. We are talking about dancehall, brother, hardcore dancehall. Majority of Jamaican don't know a Sean Paul song right now. Tell me truth. Alright? A Kartel of the man.
Who you think decides who the king of dancehall is?
At the street, my street something that man that's something. Remember dance Jamaican a street, you know. And based on what the people say, you know, you see me? So how the people say?
You can't mix Beanie, Bunty, Yellow Man and some man with them man nowadays because you go kind of water down them man the thing.
Right now, who are your king of the dancehall?
Alright, to be honest, it's Alkaline, Mother Road. Kartel dead there, you know, because you know say a grandfather in our business still, but Alkaline.
Let go me t-shirt.
King of the dancehall. I can't tell me I say no. And you can't have more one king at a time.
I think the king of dancehall is Vybz Kartel.
Beanie Man, the original king, what about him?
Yes, he was the king of dancehall, but I would say for 2024.
King of dancehall, Buju Banton, Kartel. I don't know nothing about Kartel, I know nothing about Buju.
Vybz Kartel cater for we more. You see me? Not saying no cater for the world, you know, but in cater for Jamaican culture more than them. You see Sean Paul and Beanie Man them now, them are more international.
Vybz Kartel, one done.
How you feel now that Kartel is back on the street?
Real good. Real good.
You go Freedom Street?
Of course, it's a must. Me I sell hard for go to.
Y'all are go and check me chalk and mark up your black book.
I don't know if none they come in and know the song them where I go on now. I mean I have a clue about the song them where I go on now. Me don't have a clue.
So what about Beanie Man and Kartel?
Beanie Man are the king of dancehall from a long time. That is it. If I the long time king you talk about.
Reigning king right now.
Reigning king can't only be Beanie Man. Me that's the new king for crown. Sean Paul them in a class by themselves, man. You know that already, man. But me think all like you have all the upcoming artists that try to be the new king, but try the throne. Beanie Man, but me not see it happen. It look like it not really happen at all. So Beanie Man, I'm gonna just continue holding throne.
That's a last year story. A Kartel this year.
What's your favorite Kartel song?
Wait, I'm gonna tell you. Oh, go again. Oh, go again. Jesus Christ, my flap now.
Who you think decides who the king of the dancehall is?
We the people. And we have spoken. And we don't need no more explanation. Kartel are the man.
Oh, pray me, one side till the landslide. Hear that? One law, I two man them hear that. One law and genocide, man. Believe the man. Massacre, chronic law, man. Chronic like king of dancehall. Massacre do him thing right now. Massacre is trending, leading dancehall right now. But see chronic law. No man, we not talk about an artist so just come and bust for this. So I not listen to nice in the market. When you hear nice in the market, that's a Valley and all kind of name. When you hear nice, a be nice them I make, man. Kartel is a legend. Big up yourself, teacher.
One love. One Beanie Man, them a chance.
Yo. Beanie Man.
What about Kartel?
And the Royal Boss, two of them.
How name so? How name so? No disrespect to the icon, but any other king, a Burger King, one Adidja Palmer, out.
Beanie Man said the train yet candidate from morning.
But you have to give a man what he deserve. That's what I say. So we not say being a man no king, but a Vybz Kartel a real king. That's what I say. King with gold like what they palm my teeth.
Well, brother, I don't know if you ask that na J.A. brother. Everybody don't know say a cartel dog. You don't know say a one done thing, them my friend.
So what about Beanie Man?
Brother, I don't want to hear about no more artists. One artist who want to hear about and a Vybz Kartel, my friend. No more dog is my friend. You hear that? Badness straight a road. Here, one Spain.